A big thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. So this is typically how my office is whenever I walk in. Sometimes I'm not very good at cleaning it, but yesterday I had a lot of fun in my sketchbook, and I also made these little pastel kitties, and I kind of want to keep that energy going, so I'm just going to clean up a little bit and take care of the things that I have to do today. So yeah. So something that sucks that happens pretty often that I need to do today is I have to resend some envelopes that didn't make it. The post office for some reason lost them. And it's something that I have to do like monthly kind of, because I do send out so many Patreon envelopes, and I do send out like orders weekly and stuff, and sometimes the mailing service doesn't deliver it, and it's just like, it sucks overall that the person didn't get their goodies, and it also sucks because, I don't know, it's kind of like the worst part of my job in a way, and I know that a lot of other artists also really don't like it when this happens. It's really difficult to keep track of. It's just annoying because like you did your part and then like there was a mess up and you kind of have to do things over. gonna get the ranch. Let's unbox some prints. These are probably some of my favorite prints that I've made in a while. I really love how these turned out. Let's see. Cute. These are this month's Patreon awards. So if you want to grab these, you can sign up any day of August to get these prints. So now I'm at the part where I get a lot of free time in my day, and this doesn't happen super often, but the last few weeks I've had more free time, so I am gonna do some more sketchbooking just because it's been really healing for me lately. something to say, Natalina? It's post-work time. I sat at my desk for a long time today, but I got quite a bit done and I sketched a lot, so that's pretty cool. Now I'm gonna chill and play some Pikmin 4, because that's been my game fixation lately. And then to go to the gym and do other things I need to do that I'll show you instead of telling you. I have the dinner shift of feeding everybody, so I'm the kibble lady for the cats. See them, your face is all dirty from the kibble. I'm transitioning Ollie's food, so I'm giving him a little pinch of his new food. And then with dinner, he gets his probiotic. Ollie, come. Sit. Okay. Still getting the hang of where to put my camera with this new lens, because this new lens is very zoomed in. It's the end of my day. It's almost 9 p.m., which is my bedtime. So yeah, I did my after work stuff, and now I'm just gonna get ready for bed and relax. I want to be done with my work day. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was like a little bit of a peek into my life when I don't really have as much work going on, which is at first was really scary, because for the last like couple of months they've been really slow, and at first, yeah, it was really scary because obviously you want work so that you can sustain yourself. Now, as of late, I'm trying to be grateful for the free time I have, because I remember before when I was super busy I didn't have a lot of free time to create personal work, to really reflect on my work, to spend time with the people in my life, stuff like that. So I'm just trying to take advantage of what I have right now, which is time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. and I will see you guys in the next one. So before closing out today's video, I wanted to talk about the sponsor, which is Squarespace. If you don't know what Squarespace is, it's an all-in-one platform where you can create your very own website, and it is the platform that I use to run my website and my online art business. And they have some really cool tools that can help you out with your online art business. If you sell in person at markets like I do, you can connect your Square card reader to your Squarespace app, and it will keep track of all your inventory, all your customer data, etc. Their design interface is very beginner friendly, but also super customizable, so you can adjust it to your own brand. And I have my portfolio on my website as well, so potential clients can come and look at my artwork. Yeah, if you guys are interested in a free trial, you can go to squarespace.com and you can use my code for 10% off your first purchase.